Welcome to this lesson on the modern classification of living organisms. In this presentation, we will focus on vertebrates, a subphylum of animals that possess a backbone. We will explore different classes of vertebrates, their characteristics, and examples. Vertebrates are animals that have a backbone. They belong to the subphylum Vertebrata, which is part of the phylum Chordata. Compared to invertebrates, vertebrates have more complex body structures and functions. Vertebrates are classified into 5 major classes based on their characteristics and habitats. These are Pisces, amphibians, reptiles, aves, and mammals. Pisces, or fish, are aquatic vertebrates with gills and fins. Amphibians can live in water and on land, have moist skin, and undergo metamorphosis. Reptiles, are land-dwelling animals with dry, scaly skin and lay eggs with leathery shells. Aves, birds, have feathers, beaks, and lightweight bones adapted for flight. Mammals, are warm-blooded, covered with hair or fur, and have mammary glands to feed their young. Each class has unique features that help them survive in their environments. Let's explore them in detail. Fish belong to the class Pisces. They are aquatic animals that breathe using gills and have fins for movement. Fish are cold-blooded, meaning their body temperature changes with the environment. Their bodies are covered with scales, and they have a 2-chambered heart. Most fish reproduce through external fertilization, where eggs and sperm are released into the water. Examples of fish include sharks, salmon, and goldfish. Amphibians are semi-aquatic vertebrates, meaning they can live both on land and in water. They have moist, glandular skin that lacks scales. Amphibians undergo metamorphosis, a transformation from a larval stage to an adult form. They have a 3-chambered heart and are cold-blooded. Examples include frogs, toads, and salamanders. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. Reptiles are land-dwelling vertebrates that have dry, scaly skin. They are cold-blooded and typically lay eggs with leathery shells. Most reptiles have a 3-chambered heart, but crocodiles have 4 chambers. Examples of reptiles include snakes, lizards, and turtles. Birds belong to the class Aves. They are warm-blooded vertebrates, meaning they maintain a constant body temperature. Birds have feathers covering their bodies, beaks without teeth, and lightweight hollow bones to aid flight. Their hearts have 4 chambers, which allows efficient circulation of oxygen-rich blood. Examples of birds include sparrows, eagles, and penguins. Mammals are warm-blooded vertebrates that possess mammary glands for feeding their young. Their bodies are covered with hair or fur, and most mammals give birth to live young. However, monotremes like the platypus lay eggs. Mammals have a 4-chambered heart and specialized teeth adapted for different types of diets. Examples include humans, lions, and dolphins. Vertebrates can be classified based on their body temperature into 2 groups: cold-blooded and warm-blooded animals. Cold-blooded, or ectothermic, vertebrates cannot regulate their internal body temperature and rely on their environment. This group includes fish, amphibians, and reptiles. Warm-blooded, or endothermic, vertebrates, on the other hand, can regulate their body temperature regardless of the environment. Birds and mammals belong to this category. This table summarizes the characteristics of the different classes of vertebrates. Fish lay many eggs, but they do not provide parental care. Amphibians lay fewer eggs, and parental care is usually limited. Reptiles, birds, and mammals show varying levels of parental care, with birds and mammals generally investing the most in their young. Most fish, amphibians, and birds are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs. Mammals are mostly viviparous, meaning they give birth to live young. Fertilization is external in fish and amphibians but internal in reptiles, birds, and mammals. Their habitats range from aquatic environments to terrestrial and aerial ecosystems. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. In summary, vertebrates are divided into 5 classes: fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Some are cold-blooded, like fish and amphibians, while others, like birds and mammals, are warm-blooded. Each group has unique features suited to its environment. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.